Apple iOS 26 public beta released, complete feature breakdown, how to install, and supported devices. Apple has officially released the first public beta of iOS 26, giving iPhone users their first hands-on experience with the next generation of Apple's mobile operating system. Announced earlier this year at WWDC 2025, iOS 26 is a significant software upgrade packed with visual refinements, smarter features, performance improvements, and Apple's most ambitious use of on-device artificial intelligence to date. This public beta follows the fourth developer beta and is designed for a wider audience to explore iOS 26 before its official release later this year. While developer betas are typically reserved for app developers and early testers, public betas offer a more stable experience while still giving access to all the headline features. This update is compatible with the iPhone 11 series and later, including the second and third generation iPhone SE. In this in-depth breakdown, we will examine all of the major changes, design enhancements, AI integrations, performance improvements, and the step-by-step process to install the beta. We will also cover the list of eligible iPhones and discuss what this release means in the broader context of Apple's software evolution. Introduction to iOS 26 Public Beta. Apple's iOS 26 public beta marks a turning point in the evolution of iPhone software. With this version, Apple is emphasizing a more immersive user interface, privacy-focused AI features, and system-wide efficiency upgrades. While some of the changes are immediately visible, others operate under the surface to enhance performance and battery life. At its core, iOS 26 is a response to the growing demand for intelligent, context-aware features without sacrificing user privacy or data ownership. It also continues Apple's ongoing design refinement process, offering a sleek, futuristic aesthetic that ties in with the company's broader ecosystem, including macOS, iPadOS, and visionOS. Liquid Glass, a new visual design language. One of the most eye-catching aspects of iOS 26 is the introduction of a new visual theme called Liquid Glass. This is not just a minor cosmetic update, but a system-wide design shift that brings dynamic transparency, layered depth, and adaptive interface elements to the forefront. The Liquid Glass design applies to native apps such as Photos, Weather, Apple Music, and Notification Center. These apps now feature semi-transparent, multi-layered interfaces that react to ambient colors and system themes. The new interface elements adjust to background content, offering a more fluid and immersive visual experience. Unlike previous iOS updates, where visual changes were subtle or limited to icons and backgrounds, Liquid Glass redefines the look and feel of the operating system. Animations are smoother and system feedback feels more tactile and lifelike, helping users stay visually connected to what they're doing. Core app redesigns and feature enhancements. Several default applications have been redesigned for clarity, usability, and integration with Apple Intelligence. Here's a closer look at what has changed in some of the most used apps. Photos app. The Photos app has undergone a significant user interface overhaul. Apple has introduced a two-tab layout separating the primary photo library from curated collections. This makes it easier to browse, organize, and discover content based on categories such as people, locations, events, and memories. The interface is more focused, helping users spend less time searching and more time enjoying their photos. Camera app. The Camera app has a simplified interface with an improved layout for switching between modes and adjusting settings. Buttons are more intuitive, and users can now customize controls for easier access. New splash screens greet users the first time they launch the app after the update, highlighting changes and improvements. Safari browser. Safari introduces a new full-screen mode that allows web pages to occupy the entire screen. As users scroll down, toolbars and interface elements disappear, making browsing more immersive and efficient. The tab bar is more adaptive, and website navigation now feels smoother and more efficient. Music and news apps. Apple Music and News have been redesigned with responsive tab bars that flow and adapt as users scroll. The experience is less cluttered and more gesture-friendly. The News app also sees the return of a previously removed feature, AI-generated article summaries. These have been reintroduced after enhancements to accuracy and relevance, allowing users to get a quick understanding of trending stories without opening each article individually. Apple Intelligence, private, on-device AI for everyday use. With iOS 26, Apple introduces Apple Intelligence, its most extensive integration of artificial intelligence into the iPhone operating system. What differentiates Apple's approach from competitors is its strict adherence to privacy. All AI processing happens on-device, ensuring that user data is not sent to external servers unless explicitly permitted. Key Apple Intelligence features include real-time language translation. Users can now translate conversations in real time through the Messages app, FaceTime, and standard phone calls. This feature is especially useful for travelers, international calls, and multilingual households. Translation works without a network connection and supports live audio, video, and text. Visual intelligence tools. Visual intelligence lets users interact with screen content in smart ways. For example, if a user receives a message with a date and time, they can add it to their calendar with a single tap. Users can identify objects, people, or locations in photos, detect product information from images, or use AI to extract actions from context. This feature blurs the line between content and action, allowing more dynamic interaction with information. ChatGPT integration. Apple has partnered with OpenAI to offer ChatGPT as a secondary assistant option available for users who opt in. This AI assistant can answer general questions, summarize long content, or help brainstorm ideas, offering more conversational flexibility compared to Siri. Again, the focus is on transparency and user control. No data is shared without consent. Performance, stability, and battery improvements. While visual and AI changes are significant, Apple has made a series of improvements under the hood. These include faster app launch times, reduced background activity, smarter power consumption for longer battery life, enhanced thermal efficiency during heavy use, and enhanced memory management for multitasking. iOS 26 also improves system animations and responsiveness. Even small details like keyboard response time, touch accuracy, and system sound effects have been optimized for a more refined user experience. Step-by-step installation guide. How to download the iOS 26 public beta. Installing the iOS 26 public beta is straightforward, but users should proceed with caution. Public betas are more stable than developer versions, but they can still contain bugs, app incompatibilities, and incomplete features. It is always advised to back up your device before proceeding. Steps to install. Visit beta.apple.com using Safari on your iPhone. Sign in with your Apple ID. Enroll your device in the beta software program. Go to Settings, General, Software Update. You will see the iOS 26 public beta listed. Tap Download and Install. Follow the on-screen instructions and make sure your device is connected to Wi-Fi and has sufficient battery life. Installation may take 15 to 30 minutes. Once complete, your device will reboot into the beta version and you can begin exploring the new features. List of supported devices. Who can install iOS 26? iOS 26 is compatible only with iPhones that have the A13 Bionic chip or newer, ensuring support for the advanced features of Apple Intelligence. Eligible iPhone models: iPhone 11, 11 Pro, 11 Pro Max, iPhone 12, 12 mini, 12 Pro, 12 Pro Max, iPhone 13, 13 mini, 13 Pro, 13 Pro Max, iPhone 14, 14 Plus, 14 Pro, 14 Pro Max, iPhone 15, 15 Plus, 15 Pro, 15 Pro Max. Devices older than the iPhone 11 or SE first generation will not be able to install iOS 26 due to hardware limitations, particularly around AI processing and visual rendering. Expected public release timeline. While users can try out the iOS 26 public beta today, the final stable version is expected to roll out in September 2025, shortly after the launch event for the iPhone 17 series. Until then, Apple will continue to refine the software through multiple beta updates, addressing bugs, incorporating user feedback, and optimizing performance. Public beta users will receive these updates automatically through the standard software update process. Conclusion. Is it worth trying the iOS 26 public beta? The iOS 26 public beta is a major step forward in Apple's mobile software journey. It combines meaningful AI-powered tools, a polished visual redesign, app improvements, and noticeable performance upgrades. It's not just an aesthetic refresh, but a functional evolution that makes your iPhone smarter, faster, and more helpful without compromising privacy. For users with supported devices who are curious about new technology and don't mind occasional bugs, this public beta is well worth exploring. Just be sure to back up your data and understand the risks involved in running pre-release software. As Apple continues to refine this update over the coming weeks, it is clear that iOS 26 is shaping up to be one of the most ambitious and user-focused releases in the company's history.